So hi guys, here I am back with another video, and this one is going to be the unboxing of Realme 2 Pro. So in the box we can see Realme 2 Pro branding on all the sides, and the box says that it has all the specifications. You can pause to see if you want to. I have got the Black Sea variant, so let's quickly unbox this. It's going to be a quick unboxing. Let's just open the wrap. Get the first look for this one. So here I am going to open the box. I must say this one is smooth. Really smooth. And the first thing that we get is the case and some documentations. Really good one, I must say. The case, and watching the case, I must say that it does not have a really big form factor as of now, which I can see. Just a flap, then this power adapter, just got this Oppo branding. Let me focus. It's Oppo branding, and the general specs. It's a 5V 2A charger. Let's say good packaging as far as this all is concerned. Now this is the cable, and it is a micro USB. So now let's see the phone, the device itself. There is the device. Let's open the wrap, and oh my god, that is so beautiful. And it has got something applied on it originally. Let's remove this thing. The back is actually plastic, but it's looking just like it is metal. It's glass. It shines really nice, and it is a fingerprint magnet, you can see. Let's boot up the device. If it has some charge, and it gives me a haptic feedback. Boots up with Realme logo. By the time, we can see that it has got the volume rockers and the same tray on this side. Let me focus. Yes, here you can see, and the power button on this side. It has also got this 3.5mm jack and the speaker at the bottom. So let's look for English India. Does not have the option for it, I suppose. Yes, let's go with English USA. Continue. Skip the Wi-Fi network once. Continue. Google services, accept. Fingerprint. Okay, let's go for it. Passcode is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Use. Must say the display is huge. Let's add the fingerprint. The response is really quick. Now it tells that how you have to adjust the fingerprint. Done. Let's add the face data. Take a while. Here I have entered the face data. Wi-Fi assistant turn on, auto switch to cellular. Let's just turn this off for a moment. Auto update overnight. No, not for the moment. Set as new Realme phone, and this is ColorOS 5. And man, whoa, it started off really quick. But it does not ask me for the time and all. And wait, what's wrong? This is the notification settings. So this is for the first time I am going to use this Realme device, so I am not familiar with ColorOS, nor I have used Oppo. This is for the very first time I am using this. Okay, let me just set up this phone. It did not ask me for the date and time. By the time, let's see the Android version. It's 8.1.0 Android, and it has got 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of UFS 2.1 storage. Let's look for the storage. Actually don't know where to find this stuff. Here it is. Storage, so it's 2.26 GB used. Internal space is 106 GB. And here you can see it got some bloatware such as the UC browser, the Opera, then Amazon shopping app we've got, and game space. It actually has got a bit of bloatware. Elsewise, the performance seems good. The display is really bright, I must say, and it gets really dim too. Looks good. Now let's test the camera out. Must say, a really good camera. Of detail you can see, I just tap and focus, the images come out to be too clear. Let's take a front camera sample too. I must say, the beautification, man. It has just made my face look like a star. So I'll attach the camera samples at the end. It has got this sticker mode, which I don't like at all. All the Snapchat things and all. Okay, so this was all for this video. I'll add the camera samples and all such stuff at the end. Thank you.
These are some wood logs in my garden. You can see the amount of detail on the pictures. This is the same wood log with the portrait shot, the amount of detail, and this is my granny, and the portrait shot looks so good. This is some trees with the 2x zoom, and next coming up is the same tree with 1x zoom. This is the money plant in my garden, and here you can see the dust and all on the leaf. It's quite clear. This is a macro shot of the money plant, the amount of detail. This picture is like, can't say anything about it, it's so good. And here also you can see the amount of detail and all the scratches on the scooter. And the tail lights are looking great. This is again a macro shot of my hand. You can see the amount of detail. And this is a picture of a window. This is a portrait shot of a plant. and this is a selfie. Doesn't it look great?